What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. I'm Tomas, and I'm at my dad's work. It's a tennis work. Oh, my friend's car. Look at it. That's a nice Porsche. Bye. Eleanor! Eleanor! Say hi. Huh? Say hi.
Hi.
Bye. Huh?
See you later.
Okay. Is Eleanor coming to the pool?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, I'll see her there. Okay. Ah! Oh my god. Okay. He just. Oh no! I did my girl scream. No. He hung the. Yeah. You okay, guys? Guys? Oh. Ah. I just fell. Ah. I just fell. That was a pretty bad fall. But I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. But let's go eat some lunch. Oh my gosh, my hand is hurting because I'm holding the camera. But yeah. Oh, that feels better in here. Okay, hopefully we're allowed to vlog in here. If we're not allowed to vlog, it's too bad. But okay. Oh, hi. Yeah? What?
Sorry?
Okay.
Is he vlogging? You're vlogging?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
You vlogging?
Yeah. Join on my dad's channel. Where's Jack? Is Jack here?
No, he's not here today.
Come on. Oh, hey, Gracie. Just talk. I'm gonna go order some food. Don't press those buttons, okay?
I'm not. Hey, I'm so pretty. Stop it! Come on. I'm really pretty. Oh, really cute ears. Bye-bye. Now you're going to see a portrait and a chair. And now you're going to see Tomas. Here's Tomas ordering food.
8186.
Tomas ordering.
With curly fries. With curly fries. Is that Coke slushy over there?
He said A1. He's ruining his vlog.
What happened? Oh,
Is it coming up?
that lady was videotaped. My hair's messy. How dare it? So cute. This is my baby shower.
No, I don't.
Wait, no. This is my baby shower. Hi, Gracie. Hey.
Hi. Hi, world. I've never been on YouTube.
Close up. Okay, this is my ice. I'm gonna eat some. This is more of my ice. I'm gonna eat more. This is another piece of ice. I'm gonna eat it. Well, now I'm not.
Don't do that.
It will melt.
Still, don't throw that on the floor.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm back. Hopefully she didn't do anything bad.
I
I heard her
said
say, I'm so pretty.
because I am.
Nice.
And there's enough corn in the top.
I don't tell lies. And that's
Tomaso's
definitely
fun.
not one. Ice.
No, don't you. Do
Show
that.
them me sitting on my head.
What?
I want to show ice. I'm also throwing ice at the thing.
Are y'all okay, guys? I think I'm throwing ice at myself.
Hi. It's a little finger. This is now the story of the little two fingers. Ow. And there's bully fingers. They're going to smash them. Tomas. So your dad has a YouTube channel. Let me be in it.
Your dad is gonna be mad.
Mine? This is
Wanna
so
see one
like
of my
a
hidden
piece of
talents?
ice that got bullied.
World, you wanna see my hidden talent?
No, Tomas, you just ruined that perfectly good
Ow.
piece of ice. And perfectly good two fingers.
Okay.
Ice, bye.
Hey guys, where do y'all live? If y'all live up in Jackson, come here to River Hills Club. Boo boo. Banana, 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 banana.
You have a teen room.
Oh yeah, come look at this team room. It's like a beautiful. It's a beautiful. Yeah, it's called a team wing. Hey Gracie, do you want to play Do you want to play ping pong for a minute?
Sure.
Okay.
Hey, watch. Me and my perfect ping pong skills.
Okay, guys.
I'm really bad.
Where do we stand this up? I'm standing up right here. And y'all see me get some aces.
Yeah. See, get some eggs.
Okay, I'm having a big fun. See, do you see that? Do you see that? I just scored a perfect point.
Said die.
We're both really good at ping pong because we both play tennis.
Hey, ow. That was on this line right here.
Now this line counts. It counts. I'm so bad.
I just made it.
Yes.
That's four.
Oh, I like guard. What?
No, it says one in them.
Who you?
Yeah.
Someone knows.
No, it says O right here. It doesn't matter. Hi,
No, guys, stop it. No,
I'm
it's
telling
the
y'all.
it's the alert. It's the alert girl. She's the worst girl in the world.
If you literally hit me with a uh-oh, he's actually gonna hit me though. I'm really bad at ping pong.
Me too.
Anyone play football with me? Can't destroy them. I'm gonna destroy you, Tomas.
Almost made it in the
Are you
garbage.
trying to kill me? One, zero.
Okay.
Now, the other sit in the face.
Which is funny.
It's not funny. We're playing the
Let's go back to. Let's go see if my food's here. Come on, let's go. That's sudden. It's too sunny out here. I can't handle it. There. Okay. Tell me if this looks good. Nope. Hey Gracie. I heard this song. It's called Ice Cream. He said, I want to say hello. Wait, no, what is it? What was it? It was, I want to say hello. Oh, it says, I got the cookie dough. I want to say hello. You have a crack right there on my camera. Well, turn it back. You want to be my fella, but I want to be a nana. Ice cream, icy, ice cream.
Tomorrow, so you want my number?
After this video.
Okay.
Ice cream, icy, ice cream. I be making ice cream, icy, ice cream. Hey guys, comment down below if you think I should make a music video.
I don't think they're gonna comment down below. Personally. Hey, that girl goes to school and she got 10,000 points.
Okay guys, comment down below if you think I should do a music video, because it'll probably be really good.
Yeah, right. Really good.
It'll be with Jake Paul, mini Jake Paul.
This is from Jamaica. It's the same as, yeah, but except it's called No Problem there. It's called No Problem there. And it's the same as like, it's the same as solitaire.
Okay guys,
And you also play war with it.
that'll be it of the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.